Yo, dude, do you know what RAM is? Whoa, cool. Could you explain it to the class?
Hey class, today we'll be learning about RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory and is used to store the short-term data that a PC requires to properly operate. However, this data is only stored temporarily. It resets every time the device is booted. Over the course of this show, we will explain the ins and outs of RAM, including how to remove, install, and replace sticks. We will also go over the many different form factors, when they are recommended, and how they differ in use. First, take off your computer case. Now look at the inside of your computer. Notice the motherboard. Make sure your motherboard has compatible RAM slots. Now we must understand the different RAM types. RAM can come in all different forms, such as DDR, DDR2, DDR3, and DDR4. Also, there are different module types, such as SODIMM, BOODIMM, and RDIMM. For this demonstration, we will be demonstrating DDR3. Slowly and carefully place the RAM stick into the RAM slots. Notice the two hinges? Apply light pressure until the hinges automatically lock around the RAM. Then you are done. We will now explain the different types of RAM and when they are used. DIMM, D-I-M-M, stands for Dual Inline Memory, the most common form of RAM. SODIMM, S-O-D-I-M-M, short for Small Outline Dual Inline Memory, is commonly used in laptops, smaller motherboards, and all-in-ones. RDIMM, R-D-I-M-M, which stands for Registered Memory, is commonly used in servers and other large-scale devices. Lastly is UDIMM, U-D-I-M-M, which stands for Unbuffered Dual Inline Memory Module, and it is commonly used if you need to have many memory modules installed without overwhelming the motherboard's memory controller. When it comes to DDR, newer models are represented with a higher number. Take note that you can't mix two different form types in a PC, such as DDR2 and DDR3. Next, I'll explain how to remove RAM sticks in order to replace them. To remove a RAM stick, all you have to do is push down on both locks located on the sides of the slot until the stick pops out. Very simple. Now hold up, let me show them how to really insert this.
You are watching a master at work.
No, don't do that. All you have to do is look at the notches, line them up, and then firmly push the stick into the socket until the locks on the sides snap into place. It is very important that the notches are lined up and that the locks on the side of the sockets are unlocked before inserting. Oh my, what is that? If you ever need to insert more than one stick of RAM, then no worries, the process is the same, just repeat it once over. Again, make sure the notches are aligned correctly and the locks are open. Then, push the sticks into place. Voila! We're finished! Now, prepare the PC by putting the case back on and hooking up the required cables. Now that we know how to properly insert, remove, and replace RAM, we can finally try out our new PC! I can't wait! Fortnite!